champs, welcome back to this new video. Today I'm standing here next to the one and only.
Donne ton nom.
Aitelaj Medji.
Brother, you just had your match. How are you feeling right now?
Tu viens de finir ton combat, comment est-ce que tu te sens là?
Je me sens bien, je suis bien encore.
I feel good, I feel like I have some energy left still.
What did you think about your opponent and how he fought today?
Qu'est-ce que tu as pensé de ton adversaire et de la façon avec laquelle il a combattu aujourd'hui?
J'en ai pensé qu'à sa stratégie, elle est plutôt bonne. Il me laissait pas travailler, il avançait, il me bloquait. Et ça m'a un peu étouffé.
So I think he had a great strategy because he didn't let me work. He kind of suffocated me on the corner. I couldn't do a lot of things that I'm used to. So he did his homework and he had a good strategy before this fight.
Did you have a game plan for your opponent as well?
Est-ce que tu avais un game plan précis toi en tête avant ce combat?
J'avais un game plan. Je devais le travailler assez puissant et faire en sorte qu'il avance pas, mais j'ai pas réussi.
So the game plan was that he was supposed to make him feel his power and don't let him move closer to him, but he kind of failed in that regards, he feels like.
I saw a lot of back fists. What's up with the back fist?
Il a vu beaucoup de tentatives de coups de poing retournés. Est-ce que ça faisait partie du plan? Tu voulais en mettre un absolument?
Je savais qu'il baissait beaucoup les mains en avançant. Donc à chaque fois qu'il essayait d'avancer, je savais que je devais placer un back fist. Mais ça n'a pas fonctionné.
So he noticed that when he moves forward, he drops his hand sometimes. So he was wanting to try the back fist because he thought that could cut him out of
out of nowhere.
Yeah, out of nowhere. But it didn't work this time. But maybe next time.
I want to walk through the fight with you for a second. First of all, what were your thoughts after the first round? Because it was a very close round.
Il veut juste revenir un peu sur le combat. Qu'est-ce que tu pensais après le premier round? Parce que c'était un round quand même très serré. À quoi est-ce que tu pensais?
Je pensais à toute l'énergie qui était en train de me prendre en m'accrochant. Donc j'essayais de m'accrocher aussi pour tenir le coup.
So he was feeling the energy that he was taking from him with the clinch, and so he was thinking about like how he needed to put his weight on him as well, so that they both like got tired in the same way at the same level. Like
Don talked a lot about the second round. He had a game plan for the second round. Did you notice anything about his fighting style in the second round?
Avant le combat, Don Snow, il a beaucoup parlé du second round. Est-ce qu'il avait quelque chose de prévu dedans? Est-ce que tu as eu l'impression qu'il a changé quelque chose dans le second round ou pas?
Mis à part qu'il a continué à accrocher, j'ai pas remarqué quelque chose d'autre. Donc.
He didn't feel like there was a different one, a lot of clinching still, but he didn't feel like there was something special for this one.
Gonna call him in a second. After the second round, it was 1-1 if you look at the scorecards. What did you think when you realized that you had to give all in the last round?
À la fin du second round, c'était techniquement un round partout. Comment est-ce que toi tu t'es senti à ce moment-là et qu'est-ce que tu sentais que tu avais besoin de faire?
Je savais qu'il restait plus que mon cerveau parce que le corps il commençait à fatiguer. Donc je suis prêt pour la guerre et j'ai rien lâché.
So the body was really starting to feel tired, but the brain was still on, and he knew that he needed to go to war to win this one, so that's what he did. But he felt really tired entering to the third one.
And after the third round, it was official. You won by unanimous decision. Did you also already had that feeling that you won the fight?
Et après le troisième round, tu as gagné le combat, décision unanime. Est-ce que tu avais le sentiment de l'avoir gagné?
Je savais que c'était serré. Après, je me suis dit que j'avais fait un peu plus de gestes de technique que lui. J'étais un petit peu plus propre que lui dans certaines combinaisons. J'ai marqué mes jambes. Donc, je doutais un peu que j'avais la victoire.
So he knew it was a close one, so you always had some doubts, but he felt like he had some cleaner shot. He used more technical, and so yeah, he was a bit like stressed because he was going to be close anyway. But he felt confident that his leg work as well made him like the best one, the winner.
Were you a bit scared in general just before this fight?
Est-ce que tu avais des inquiétudes avant ce combat ou pas du tout?
J'avais des inquiétudes, oui, j'en avais parlé juste avant. J'ai jamais boxé de gaucher et en plus de ça, un mec qui m'accroche et qui avance beaucoup, donc j'avais un peu une incertitude, donc voilà.
There were some worries about his style because he never fought a guy that had this kind of style, moving forward, clinching a lot. So there was a bit of worry that how he would react to this kind of fighter. And as he learned, there were some issues with it in this fight. But all's good that ended well, you know.
Yeah. I'm almost gonna let you go, my friend. Last but not least, I really want to know what's next on your agenda.
Dernière question, il veut vraiment savoir c'est quoi la suite pour Medja Itelaj.
La suite, c'est que je vais me préparer très dur. J'ai envie de me laisser environ 3 mois pour mon prochain combat, pour me préparer vraiment à passer une étape, un level au-dessus.
So he wants to be working like for 3 months before the next fight. He want to work hard. He'll take anyone. He just want to have a better, cleaner performance than he had tonight.
Is the title something that's in your vision at the moment?
Est-ce que tu penses déjà un peu à la ceinture ou pas?
Non, je pense pas trop à la ceinture pour l'instant. J'ai encore mes preuves à faire. Et je sais qu'il me reste énormément de travail.
He doesn't think about this now. He knows he needs to prove himself before, but he doesn't think about the title right away.
Brother, I'm now gonna let you go and I'm really looking forward towards your next fight.
Il te remercie pour l'interview et il attend ton prochain combat avec impatience.
Un grand merci à vous.
Thank you very much.